12 natural remedies to eliminate fat in the liver. Today we're going to explore some of nature's best-kept secrets for keeping the liver healthy and fighting fat accumulation in this vital organ. Did you know there are certain foods that can rejuvenate your liver, boosting fat elimination? And that there are special precautions to be taken with some of these natural remedies to avoid adverse effects? In this video, we will show you which foods these are and unveil a tea that, although less known, has incredible properties for liver health. Watch till the end to find out which of these drinks is most suitable for you, how to safely incorporate them into your routine, and the secret behind their healing power. Get ready to transform your health with simple changes to your diet. If you are looking for natural ways to take care of your liver and improve your overall health, this video is for you. It's important to remember that home remedies should only be used to complement the treatment prescribed by your doctor, which usually includes a low-fat, balanced diet and regular physical exercise. With that said, let's begin. Natural remedy. 1. Garlic and lemon tea. Garlic contains allicin in its composition, which has antioxidant action and helps to reduce levels of bad cholesterol and triglycerides, thus reducing the risk of fat accumulation in the liver. Ingredients: 3 cloves of garlic peeled and cut in half, half a cup of lemon juice, 3 cups of water, honey to sweeten, optional. Preparation method: boil the water with the garlic. Remove from heat and add the lemon juice and honey. Remove the garlic and serve immediately. Garlic has a strong taste, so you can add to the tea preparation half a teaspoon of ginger powder or 1 centimeter of ginger root. Ginger can enhance the effect of garlic tea, as it also helps to reduce bad cholesterol. However, it should not be consumed by people using anticoagulants. Natural remedy. 2. Beetroot and lemon juice. Beetroot is rich in flavonoids and carotenoids, antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds that protect the liver against free radicals, helping to prevent fat accumulation in the liver. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, a nutrient that helps detoxify the liver, promoting the elimination of toxins from the body. Ingredients: 1 small raw beetroot, 1 lemon, 1½ cups of water. Preparation method: wash, peel, and cut the beetroot into cubes. Squeeze the lemon and place in a blender. Add the beetroot and water to the blender and blend for 2 minutes. Drink immediately. Natural remedy. 3. Green tea. The Camellia sinensis plant, from which green tea is made, is rich in phenolic compounds like epigallocatechin, which are powerful antioxidants. They contribute to the reduction of bad cholesterol and triglycerides, substances that, in excess, can lead to fat accumulation in the liver, worsening conditions such as fatty liver. Furthermore, green tea helps in reducing levels of liver enzymes, ALT and AST, common indicators of fat accumulation in the organ. Available in different forms, such as teas, infusions, and natural extracts, green tea should be consumed under medical advice. This is because, despite its benefits, excessive consumption can have adverse effects, harming liver health. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of green tea leaves or 1 green tea bag, 1 cup of boiling water. Preparation method: to prepare green tea correctly, it is necessary to add leaves or a bag to boiling water, letting it steep for a period of 5 to 10 minutes before straining or removing the bag, with immediate consumption recommended. The ideal intake varies from 3 to 4 cups daily, always respecting the guidance of a health professional. However, certain groups should avoid green tea: children, pregnant or breastfeeding women, individuals with thyroid issues, stomach ulcers, gastritis, anemia, or those sensitive to caffeine. Due to the presence of caffeine, it is advisable not to consume green tea excessively or close to bedtime to avoid adverse effects like insomnia, irritability, stomach discomfort, fatigue, and heart palpitations. Furthermore, people with hypertension should limit their intake to no more than 3 cups daily under medical supervision due to the potential interaction with antihypertensive medications. Natural remedy. 4. Artichoke tea. Artichoke tea is rich in antioxidants, such as cynarin and silymarin, which help protect the liver from damage caused by free radicals, in addition to stimulating the growth of new healthy liver cells, which can help combat fat accumulation in the liver. Ingredients: 1 liter of water, 1 dessert spoon, 5g to 6g, of dried artichoke leaves. Preparation method: in a pot or kettle, boil the water. Turn off the heat and add the artichoke leaves to the water, covering and letting it steep for 10 minutes. Strain and drink up to 3 cups of tea per day, 15 to 20 minutes before meals. Natural remedy. 5. Melon and mint juice. Mint is a medicinal plant widely used for various problems, but it is excellent for treating digestive issues. It contains bitter substances that help revitalize the health of the liver and gallbladder, alleviating symptoms like nausea and the feeling of a bloated belly. Moreover, when mint is added to melon, it results in a very refreshing and tasty juice. Ingredients: a quarter of a melon, a handful of mint. Preparation method: blend the ingredients in a blender until smooth. If necessary, add a bit of water or ice. Drink the juice as soon as it is prepared. Natural remedy. 6. Milk thistle tea. Milk thistle tea, scientifically known as Psyllium marianum, contains an active substance, silymarin, which has a potent antioxidant effect and can help promote the regeneration of liver cells, reduce inflammation, and benefit those with liver disease, potentially aiding in the treatment of fatty liver. Additionally, this tea contains astringent properties, facilitating digestion and stimulating appetite, alleviating some of the symptoms of fatty liver, such as loss of appetite, nausea, and vomiting. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of milk thistle fruits, 1 cup of boiling water. Preparation method: add the milk thistle fruits to the cup of boiling water. Let it steep for 15 minutes, strain, and drink 3 to 4 cups a day, 30 minutes before meals. Natural remedy. 7. Ginger, cocoa, and cinnamon tea. This tea has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce damage caused by free radicals to liver cells, in addition to improving levels of liver enzymes, ALT and AST, insulin resistance, and reducing fat accumulation in the liver. Ingredients: 1 centimeter of ginger root sliced or grated, a pinch of cinnamon powder, a pinch of cocoa powder, 1 liter of boiling water. Preparation method: bring the water to a boil and add the ginger. Boil for 5 to 10 minutes. Remove the ginger from the cup and drink the tea in 3 to 4 divided doses throughout the day. Another option to make the tea is to replace the root with 1 teaspoon of ginger powder. This tea should not be used by people who use antihypertensive, anticoagulant, or anti-diabetic medications, as it may increase the risk of side effects from these medications or of bleeding. Natural remedy. 8. Basil and rosemary tea. Basil and rosemary tea is rich in ursolic acid and carnosic acid, which have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and anti-adipogenic properties, reducing fat accumulation in the liver. Moreover, this tea improves digestion and helps reduce nausea, which is a symptom that can appear in those with fatty liver. Ingredients: 10 basil leaves, 1 teaspoon of rosemary, 1 liter of boiling water. Preparation method: add the basil leaves and rosemary to the boiling water. Cover and let it steep for 10 minutes. Strain and drink up to 3 cups a day. This tea should not be taken during pregnancy, by breastfeeding women, and by children under 12 years of age. Natural remedy. 9. Fenugreek. Fenugreek tea, also known as fenugreek, contains an amino acid known as 4-hydroxyisoleucine, which decreases levels of glucose, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides, thus helping to prevent further fat accumulation in the liver. Ingredients: 25 g of fenugreek seeds. Preparation method: grind the seeds in a blender until they turn into powder, or buy the seed powder ready. Then, add to juices, soups, or salads throughout the day. This plant should not be used by pregnant women or breastfeeding mothers. Natural remedy. 10. Psyllium tea. Psyllium tea has properties that can lower blood cholesterol levels and control the amount of fat in the body. Thus, it prevents the increase of fat in the liver, especially when associated with a balanced diet and physical exercise. Ingredients: 10 g of psyllium husk, 1 cup of boiling water. Preparation method: add the psyllium husk to the cup of boiling water and let it steep for approximately 10 minutes. Strain and drink up to 2 times a day. This tea should be avoided by those who suffer from constipation or have any inflammatory bowel problem, such as diverticulitis or Crohn's disease, for example. Natural remedy. 11. Boldo tea. Boldo tea is an excellent home remedy for treating fatty liver, because it stimulates the secretion of bile, a compound that helps in the digestion of food, preventing symptoms like headache, nausea, and malaise. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of chopped boldo leaves, 200 milliliters of water. Preparation method: in a pot, boil the water and then turn off the heat. Add the chopped boldo leaves, cover the pot, and let it steep for 5 minutes. Strain and drink up to 3 cups a day. Boldo should not be used by children, pregnant women, and breastfeeding mothers. Similarly, it is not recommended for those with high blood pressure, gallbladder problems, kidney disease, or hepatitis. Natural remedy. 12. Pineapple and turmeric juice. Pineapple is rich in vitamin C, a nutrient with potent antioxidant action that helps detoxify the liver, promoting the elimination of toxins from the body. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory and digestive action, favoring the production of digestive enzymes and helping to treat liver problems. Ingredients: 2 slices of pineapple, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 cup of filtered or boiled water. Preparation method: chop the pineapple slices into cubes and place in a blender. Add the water and turmeric to the blender and blend for 2 minutes or until the mixture is very smooth. Drink immediately. Because it contains turmeric, this juice is not recommended for people who are using anticoagulant medications. Pregnant women or those who are breastfeeding should only drink this juice under medical advice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.